Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial video, everyone. In today's video, we'll show you how you can add transitions to your Instagram Reel videos. So if you want to make your Reels more dynamic and professional looking by adding transitions, then make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's open the Instagram application on our device, because we will be doing this directly from within the app. So I will start by creating a new Instagram Reel, and I can do that by clicking on the plus button here, then Reel. That's going to open my Instagram Reel camera, where I now want to film a couple of scenes for my Instagram Reel, and we'll add the transitions after recording the video. So I will first film this chair for a second or two, and then I'll take a video of this fridge. And maybe I'll add a third scene as well, and this will be my Instagram Reel. Once you've recorded all of the scenes which you need for your project, then all you need to do is to go to the next step. Then you can swipe from the bottom to the top in order to open the Reel editor, or you can tap on this Edit Video option. This is going to open this interface where we have an option to edit our Instagram Reels, and we can start adding transitions. You want to tap on this little eye icon between the two videos, which will then give us an option to select between a couple of different transitions. So just swipe from the right to the left side, and you'll then get a preview on how that transition looks like in real time. We have around 5 or 6 different transitions which we can select, and when you're happy with the transition and want to use it between the two videos, then tap on Done. But you can also click on this button right here, and that will apply the specific transition which you chose over all of your videos. So if you want all of the videos to have the same exact transition, then tap on the Apply to All option, and that's it. But I'll tap on Done, because I want a different transition between the different videos which I've filmed. But that's how you can add different transitions onto your Instagram Reels. If you don't like any of the transitions which the editor offers, then I can make a tutorial on how you can get even more different animations and transitions for your Instagram Reels. So make sure you leave a like on this video if you want me to create a tutorial for that. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you soon!